Hello viewers, welcome to EQ International, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today we have Mr. Amit with us from Feston. Hello sir.
Hi, hello.
Okay, so sir, can you please tell us something about yourself and your company?
Sure. Okay, you'll hold it. Okay. My name is Amit and I am currently the CMO of Feston. Feston is, honestly speaking, a new entrant into the market. We are about an 8-month-old company as of October 2024, and we are into inverter manufacturing. So inverter manufacturing means we have set up a line of for manufacturing solar inverters, GTI inverters in Chennai. Currently we have a capacity of somewhere around 4 lakh inverters per year, which we intend to increase over the next 2 years to hopefully above 40 lakh inverters with multiple locations of manufacturing. And if I talk about the back-end group is about 1,000 crore company, mainly into manufacturing of auto components. They also have a part or are owners of Chennai Institute of Technology, where we have a lot of research centers and the backing of a lot of good minds across India that help us get things done. So that is a little backup. Currently we are doing grid-tied inverters from 1.5 kilowatt to about 25 kilowatt. Along with that, we also have hybrid systems, EV chargers, micro inverters, and one of the nice things, solar AC. I'll tell you more about it later. So this is what we are right now.
Okay, so sir, if we talk about the product displaying this year, what are you displaying this year at REI?
As I said earlier, just about a few seconds ago, we are displaying string inverters from 1.5 kilowatt to 25 kilowatt. We are displaying our hybrid systems, the battery, stackable battery, the wall-mounted battery, our EV chargers from 3 kilowatt to 150 kilowatt, the solar AC, 1 ton, 1.5 ton, and 2 ton systems that are available in that. So that is what we are displaying.
Okay, so can you please show us?
Sure. So this is something, it's a 6 kilowatt inverter that you see over here. What you see over there is a 3 kilowatt. This one over here is a 15 kilowatt inverter, and that over there is a 25 kilowatt inverter. These are all grid-tied inverters, GTI inverters, basically focusing on the PM Surya Ghar Yojana. Okay, that is where this will come into play. So this is that. If you come with me along inside, I can show you others. Should we?
Last mein wo shoot kar liya. Okay.
So yeah.
So sir, if we ask what are your plans, strategies for this upcoming year, your roadmap for 2025, what would you like to say?
For the next 12 to 15 months, the roadmap is something which is pretty well mapped out. Number one, we are going to focus on the PM Kusum Ghar Yojana, not the Kusum, sorry, Surya Ghar Yojana. I'll always get it confused. The Surya Ghar Yojana, and since we have our inverters, one second. Since the roadmap for the next 12 to 15 months is pretty well mapped out. First, we will focus on the smaller inverters, anywhere in the range of 1.5 kilowatt. Actually, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 10. The ideal thing for the Surya Ghar Yojana. That is what we'll go. Along with that, we are already supplying the 12, 15, 18, and 20, 25 kilowatt inverters for really small commercial and residential as well. So that's something that is working right now for us. Along with that, we are highly focused on the hybrid systems, because what is happening is people are moving towards energy independence, battery storage. People want to have the availability of power 24/7 and not be dependent on that. So our hybrid systems will take care of that. Stackable batteries will take care of that, and the other things that we have will do. So currently this on-grid inverters, and in about by March we will have our CNI series of about 100, 30, 80, 100, 110 and 135, 150 kilowatt inverters. And we are also planning after March to have utility scale inverters of 350 kilowatt. Now, I don't have very clear idea of whether that will happen in March or, after that, a little after that, but it will happen within the next 12 months. That is what I can say.
Okay, so as we are talking about expansion, sir, are there any plan for globally expansion?
Yes, we do have plans for global expansion. Honestly, we've already done some exhibitions in Europe, Africa, and we are exploring those markets. We have done exhibitions in Sri Lanka already. Being 8 months old, we have already done that. And yes, we will expand globally. Feston is a brand that is from India for the globe.
Okay, and sir, is there any key message or key learning you would like to tell our viewers about your journey?
About my journey, my personal journey. See, I've been in the solar industry for the last 17, 18 years. Practically worked in every aspect of solar, from manufacturing of silicon to delivering installations. And I'm from the marketing background. So what I would say is that for all solar, sales, marketing, or any other person out there, focus on your personal branding. It works. If you have to become a brand on your own, and the company or the organization that you work for automatically rises up with you. So that will be my personal message. In the age of digital, be digital.
Okay, so sir, as you were telling about solar ACs, can you please explain something about this to our viewers?
Sure, I can explain. See, market में काफ़ी सारे, you get a lot of DC based air conditioners, okay, which have a DC compressor and things like that, and you have to put a device outside, and the main connection comes into there. Now the advantage with this air conditioner is it has everything inbuilt, so you can directly connect solar panels to it. A 1-ton AC requires about 3 solar panels, say about 1.5 kilowatt. Okay, that you can get it directly to this, and along with that, what happens is that way it will only run during the day. But it also has the mains connection, the normal connection that you have for an air conditioner, that is also there. So inside this air conditioner, you have a hybrid system. So that is why it is called a hybrid solar AC, and the connection is only solar, only grid, and solar plus grid. So it functions on all three aspects. If you have solar, it works there. Where you have off-site locations where you do not have grid or genset also during the day, containerized housing. So there this works really perfect. And along with that, you have the AC connection on it, the direct line connection. That way what happens is when the sun goes down, it switches over automatically. You don't have to switch over or change any settings. That is where it helps. So we have this available in 1 ton, 1.5 ton and 2 ton depending on the requirement, and this is actually the solar AC. So if somebody tells you I have a solar AC, you have to ask, can I connect solar panels directly? So if no, then it is a DC based compressor, not a solar AC. So that's the difference. So, and we've sold more than 200 units of this already, and this is one of the, though we are an inverter company, we are selling more air conditioners right now, but it really works. It's a very good product to have as of right now, and since it's a DC connect, it consumes less energy as compared to a normal air conditioner. So the power load and the bill automatically goes down. So that is what it is. All right, thank you.